should try out this beard oil. This beard oil right here, bro, luxuriant beard oil. This crap is amazing, bro. Like, I'm not even gonna cap, no lie, not joking. Put it on my car. This beard oil right here is amazing. Pass it here. Let me try it out, bro. Here, try it. Let me see what he's talking about. What I gotta do? Just put it on my face. A couple drops in your hand. Rub it through your hands. Rub it through your beard. And yeah, it's pretty much it, bro. And do that every night. You should see, you know, a difference in your beard. Okay. It should feel more softer. It should grow better. You shouldn't have, you know how you shave your beard and it grows back and it's real pricky and you have that like itch. It should stop that. So yeah, man, try it. I'm telling you, it's pretty good. I use it all the time. Yeah, sometimes my beard, like when I shave it, it does hurt. So I just gotta massage it on my skin like this. Woo! Damn! That's me? Is that me? That's me? Yo! You lying, bro. My beard look good. Dang! Hold on. Dang! That's me! I look good, boy! Yo! My beard like, I look like Rick Ross now. That's crazy, man. Yeah, they know they used to call us twins when I was back in high school. They used to call us twins, you feel me? Yeah. Your beard is shining, boy. I can tell you. It looks good from here. Wow, that's crazy. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that little skit. Shout out to Luxuriant Beard Oil for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to go hit them up, they are homemade, so he's probably take a little time, but it's definitely worth the wait if you do want to go get it. Also, it's full of good stuff. Everything that's needed for your beard growth, the way your hair grows on your face, all that stuff you can put in your mustache. So, you know, whatever you want to put it in, it's the beard. I do recommend this product. I've been using it for probably, I say, a month now, or a little bit less than a month, and I do see a difference in my beard and how it grows and how like when you shave your face and the facial hair grow back. Sometimes you get bumps and ingrowns. I don't get that no more because of this. But yeah, if you guys want to go pick up a set, I'm gonna leave the link down below. Follow him on Instagram. Put it right here. And yeah, man, let's jump into the video. Yours, Poppin' Playboys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, man, we're gonna be starting some last